Good boy. Good boy, Christian. Good boy, it's okay. Just be gentle. Good boy. Yeah, be nice. Yeah. She's got the hiccups. She's got the hiccups, Christian. Yeah, that's your sister, Ashlyn Grace. She's 6 weeks old. Yeah, you're lucky she doesn't have any teeth to bite your finger. Yeah, you're lucky. Say, how do you do? How do you do? Oh, I have to put batteries in there, Christian. The music's not playing right now. Give her a kiss, Christian. Give her a kiss. Uh-oh. Give her a kiss, Christian. Good boy. Good boy. Yay, good boy. Okay. Big brother's going to take care of you now. Good boy. Oh. Okay, here I come. Here I come.